The very cool thing about churchapplive.com is it's very interactive. So we're going to talk about how you can take advantage of interactivity by creating a form. So how this works is you want to create something and collect some information, uh, and you can have people who use the mobile app fill out a form using their app anywhere they're at, and you can well, let's just show you how it works. Log in as an administrator and go to mobile app management. From there, you want to go to interactivity, go to form builder. I'll give you a little example here. So somebody has already created a form here called the connection card. And what this is, if you literally go to a church building and you walk in, you usually get a program, a bulletin of some sort, and many times in that program, there'll be a card or something you can fill out if you're a first-time visitor, if you want to be involved in something, if you want to sign up for an event, they usually give you something that you can, fill out. So you could do something like this on your mobile app. Somebody has set up a connection card. Let's just click on it to give you an example of how it was done. So this was called connection card, and the person who built this as an administrator set it up so people, when they open up their mobile app, they will see forms. They click on that, and they'll see the name of the form called connection card, and then they filled out the field where their name would go, their address, their prayer request, their email. And by the way, these little blocks are movable, so you can move them around if you want, and it makes things a little bit easier as you build them. So let's just go ahead and build you a form here, show you how it's done. I'm going to go back here to build a new form. Oh, by the way, you can always collect the data and use your Excel. You can export it to Excel, and then if you want to clear the information after a while, you can just hit clear form results. So let's build a new form, as I said. So let's say you've got an event going on at your church, and what do churches like to do? They like to eat. Church people like to eat, right? So let's say it's a potluck where everybody gets together and brings something to share. So fill out the form first, call it potluck, and then do you want to be notified when somebody has filled out the form as an administrator? Sure. Now, here's the important part, the input. Here's what you want to build the form with. So the first thing you want to do is click input, and the field description is really what you need to fill out, what's most important. So in this case, let's put down your name. Very creative, right? And let's go ahead and do another input, and let's put down, I don't know, for the sake of time, your email. And so when people actually open this up from their mobile app, they'll see these places they can put their information in. And by the way, we probably want to move this around a little bit. So name, email, and let's go ahead and do uh, what dish are you bringing? There we go. And then people will know what kind of dish they want to bring to the potluck. And again, I'm going to slide this down here so you have your name, your email, and then the dish. And so you get the idea here. You've got all sorts of features. You can use a poll with this. You can use text, all that stuff. And make sure, actually, once you've done it like this, it automatically saves. And so we can kind of go back here, I believe, and you can see, let me refresh this. You can see how I've created the potluck form here, and then you've got, you can always, take the information and export it to your Excel spreadsheet, and you can have a lot of fun with this, and it's very useful because people will no longer have to fill out, pencil paper. They can just do it from their mobile app for whatever form you want to build. If you have questions on this or anything else, just send us an email, support@churchapplive.com.